Hey everyone, Firstword is back with another amazing video on Agile software development. For project management success, there are various frameworks available to use. Previously, the waterfall model was the most commonly used SDLC approach for software development. But over time, businesses started struggling to become more agile and responsive to evolving customer demands. Therefore, software development teams are looking out for an innovative development approach for rapid and time-to-market development. And that's where Agile methodology comes into play. Agile project management is not only beneficial for software project management, but the entire team can constantly adapt requirements and deliver solutions to the growing and shifting demands and needs of the business. You might now want to explore more about Agile software development, why to choose Agile, the Agile methodologies, the pros and cons of Agile development, and more. Today, we will help you understand everything you need to know about Agile development approaches. Let's deep dive in. What is Agile methodology? Agile methodology is an incremental and iterative approach that divides a project into dynamic phases known as sprints. After each sprint, the team reflects and looks back to see if there is anything that could be improved so they can adjust their strategy for the next sprint. Now let's move on to the 4 core values known as the pillars of Agile methodology. First, individuals and interactions over processes and tools. Agile team emphasize team collaboration and working together over working independently and doing things according to the rules or systems. Second, high quality software over comprehensive documentation. Agile software methodology documentation gives Agile developers everything they need to keep it running smoothly. Third, customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Agile allows open discussion between customers and developers. Therefore, customer collaboration is more important than the details of the contract negotiation. Fourth, respond to change by following the plan. One of the main advantages of Agile project management is that teams can work flexibly. This framework allows teams to change strategy without causing the entire project to fail. Now comes the key principles of Agile. First, satisfy customers with early and continuous delivery. Second, embrace changing requirements even at the end of the project. Third, collaboration is the key in the Agile framework. Fourth, Agile works best when the team is engaged and actively working towards a goal. Fifth, working software is the key to progress. Sixth, maintain sustainability throughout the project. Seventh, improving constantly for the future increases agility. Eighth, Agile aims not to complicate things and find simple answers to complex problems. Ninth, proactive teams are valuable assets to organizations as they seek to deliver value. You may now be wondering why Agile project management is so popular or why you should use it. The Agile Scrum methodology offers many benefits such as it promotes faster product development, provides more flexibility and adaptability, innovation, lower costs, improved quality and customer satisfaction. Let's understand in more detail. Adaptable Agile methods. One of the main benefits of using Agile process in software development is the ability to change strategy quickly without disrupting the project flow. New requirements can be quickly incorporated into designs, teams, and priorities. Agile promotes teamwork. One of the principles of Agile is to communicate with your team most effectively face to face. Combine this with the principles that encourage teams to break down project silos and foster teamwork. Agile methods focus on customer needs. Deficiencies and necessary improvements are identified early as changes are tested in small iterations. Agile teams can prioritize features that focus on customer needs by collaborating with customers. Types of Agile methodology. First, Scrum. Scrum is a framework through which you can tackle complex adaptive problems and productively and efficiently deliver a quality-rich product. In Scrum, work is divided into iterations called sprints. Multiple Scrums can be integrated to create the version in which the product is launched. Second, Kanban. Kanban is a simple visual project management tool that allows teams to see past and future progress. Kanban projects are primarily managed via a Kanban board, which divides tasks into 3 columns: to do, doing, and done. Third, feature-driven development, which is FDD. Function-driven development is another software-specific agile framework. This method involves building a software model every 2 weeks and requires a development and design plan for each model feature. Fourth, extreme programming, which is XP. Extreme programming is a method that emphasizes teamwork, communication, and feedback. It focuses on continuous development and customer satisfaction. Like Scrum, this method relies on sprints or short development cycles. In extreme programming, projects are tested from scratch by gathering feedback that drives system output. Fifth, lean software development, which is LSD. Lean software development is a flexible framework that optimizes development time and resources, eliminates waste, and ultimately provides only what the product needs. The lean approach is also often referred to as minimum viable product, which is MVP strategy, in which a team rolls out a minimal version of their product, identifies from customers what they like, what they don't like, and what to add, and then repeats based on the feedback. Agile development methodology is a refocused approach to software development that provides flexibility and speed. Most digital products today are created using agile development methods. The secret to making working software available in the market is to follow a secure, flexible methodology while embracing the agile mindset. We hope you gain a better understanding of agile software development and why it is the best approach for software development. Thanks for watching this video. Whether you are new to the agile process or looking to make the most out of the agile Scrum methodology, we are here to help. Choose Forcebolt for agile software development to manage your customer-tailored project efficiently.